Hey guys, Richard Beck with Beck Tools. I wanted to take a moment and show you what is included when you order a fully welded VA shredder. So, this is what you get. You get a 7-inch anodized drive wheel. This design was designed by me, and it's specifically for the VA shredder. It will work with other grinders. The nice thing is you just put this face flush with the end of the shaft, and that's going to line up the wheels. So this kit is not painted, but it is fully welded. All the machining is finished, and I do a full assembly to confirm that all the pieces are there. It includes a tracking wheel, multi-axis tracking. Of course, this is part of every BA shredder. Every BA shredder ever sold has come with a multi-axis tracking. You also get a 2-inch idler wheel, 1/2-inch thick D-plate. You get a fully articulating work rest. You get a smooth 4-inch contact wheel. So here you can see the dual pivots on the work rest. You get steel handles here. These two are not steel. But yeah. So when I go to ship this thing, I remove the work rest and the tooling arm, and I unhook the gas strut so that way I can fold it into a small package. I say small, but it's still 96 pounds and a 21 by 21 by 21 box with a plywood bottom. So shipping's included in the cost, as with everything else on the website. I just want to take a moment and give you a little walk around and show you what you're going to get if you do check that fully welded option for your BA shredder. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Find me on social media. Send me a DM. Any of those are totally viable ways to get your questions answered as soon as possible. So thanks, guys.